FreshOut, a.k.a. your money's mine. Okay. GovaRide. There's no kind of lyrics where I overwrite. They've taken over everywhere overnight. Futuristic cabs, you know me, I'll never lie. Cabs they for hiring and they get them for renting. Ambulance cuckoo day in case someone is fainting. Hiring and booking cabs no be the same thing. Their cabs they advanced, they will never keep you waiting. Their mobile app is built for satisfaction and comfort too. Now number one, they no comfort or comfort too. They work 24/7 if client don't sort to. Now GovaRide that they use now, me I don't port to. You feel even use their app, book keke rider. They get different cars, they get picture, they get spider. Security is guaranteed for passengers and drivers. Simple, safe and sweet, we no get rivals. GovaRide. Simple, safe and sweet, we no get rivals. GovaRide. Simple, safe and sweet, we no get rivals. GovaRide. Simple, safe and sweet, we no get rivals. GovaRide. Simple, safe and sweet, we no get rivals.
Book a taxi now.
GovaRide. Simple, safe, and sweet.